My name is Joseph McDaniel, and I'm an Arizona bankruptcy attorney, and after 2005 I get to tell you that I'm a debt relief agency and that I help people and businesses file for bankruptcy. Today's bankruptcy question is, who's the best and cheapest attorney in Arizona to help you file a bankruptcy? I went to yahoo.com the other day and ran into the question, has anyone filed bankruptcy in Arizona? Who's the best and cheapest attorney? And I'll admit it, I couldn't resist. So I answered it. Finding a decent bankruptcy lawyer in Arizona is not as hard as it used to be. Fortunately, the bankruptcy bar in Arizona has many good lawyers. As far as finding the best qualified, first look at avo.com, a fairly new site that permits consumers to compare lawyers as though they were books on Amazon, comparing experience, credentials, client reviews, lawyer endorsements, and the avo.com rating, which runs from 1 to 10. Also look at findlaw.com, which is an oldie but a goodie and is a useful lawyer directory. You can check with the State Bar of Arizona website, which lets you search for lawyers who are certified as specialists in bankruptcy law by the Arizona Board of Legal Specialization. And you can search on Google for an Arizona bankruptcy lawyer who has an AV rating from Martindale-Hubbell. Most lawyers don't have a rating, some have a CV rating, fewer have a BV rating, and a very few have the coveted AV rating, which is a product of peer review. You may also want to see if a lawyer is profiled on superlawyers.com, but frankly, that might be overkill if you've already determined that a lawyer is AVO 10, Martindale AV, and certified as a specialist by the Arizona Board of Legal Specialization. But I suppose every little bit helps. As to the cheapest attorney, sadly, all good bankruptcy lawyers in Arizona are about as busy as they decide they want to be right now because there's a depression going on. So you can certainly do price comparisons after you look at credentials. But almost without exception, if somebody has jumped backwards through flaming hoops to become board certified, AV rated, AVO 10, you'll probably pay some premium for them because their service is, in theory, of a more predictable quality than that of a less credentialed bankruptcy lawyer. If price is your first concern, avo.com also gives you an opportunity to compare and contrast the lawyers in Arizona who are not board certified in AVO law, are not AVO 10 rated, and are not Martindale AV rated, but who still practice bankruptcy law. You may find someone in that substantial group who is less expensive than somebody who has more credentials than a dog has fleas. But of course, you'll want to meet and consult with any lawyer before you hire him or her to see if you can stand working with them. Because a bankruptcy is pretty stressful, whether it's a Chapter 7, 13, 11, or 12 if you're a family farmer. Thank you very much.